Okay, we've got another couple of cars buried here in the bush. Been here a long time. We have a VC Commodore again down the back. And this hard to identify post-war car in front of it. Make out the front suspension. There's not much else. On a very steep hillside here, so you hear lots of slipping sounds. It's just me trying to scramble while I film. Alright, let's get a closer look. I thought this might have been a Volkswagen, but I don't think it is. From the boot, which we'll get to in a sec. Let's make it a door handle. Nothing else. There's a steering wheel. Inside's completely gone. There's the back window and the boot. Someone might know what it is, but yeah, I can't tell. Been in a very long time. Okay, now we've got another Commodore. Completely stripped. Nice silver paint. Still even a bit of a pinstripe. Nothing in the engine bay. Nothing inside at all. On the back. Definitely seen better days. You can get some idea of the steepness, the terrain. There's old mine shafts here. I'll post another video after this of the mine shaft nearby. Walk very close, blocked with cars. Door handles were intact. All right. Well, like the other video, the first one I did, I might as well combine them. And there's another something down the hill as well. I'll try and scramble up this hill to the next two cars. Oh, I'm fit doing this. Okay. Get my breath. So we have a XT, I think, Falcon Ute, Morris Minor, or 1800, I think. Don't know what that is. Might be another Holden, FC, FE, and a very deep mine shaft here. I'm I'm not going to get too close, but it's filled with cars, as far as you can see. It looks like HR. In here, decades. Obviously this is the way mine shafts are filled a long time ago. Just shove as many cars in as you can until the mine's blocked. I'll get any closer. Don't feel like falling in today. Anyway, I'll get a view from up above. Excuse my panting, I'm too unfit to be doing this. Let's go back and show you how steep the terrain is. There's the first two cars down the bottom of the mine shaft, or bottom of the hill where all the mole keep is. And there's the other cars in the mine shaft. Put my finger over the lens again. There's the view from above. You can clearly make out the Ute shape. Would have been a nice car in its day. And the Morris, I remember those. Austin 1800, Morris 1800. I think we used to refer to them as a land crab. Anyway, as with the other cars that I filmed, beautiful surroundings here in Central Victoria. Very steep countryside though, or bushland, sorry. And yeah, gold rush, gold mine, blocked with old cars in a century later or whenever. Thanks again.